Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I'm going to play with these chalk markers today. Chalkola contacted me and gifted me this beautiful box with a chalkboard. Now this box has 30 colors and the tip is 6mm and it's a reversible tip. These chalk markers work great on chalkboards, whiteboards, blackboards, windows, glass, ceramics, and any other non-porous surface. One thing I do want to mention is that this product is child safe. Now that's very important to me since I am a mom of 3. It is water-based, non-toxic, and it washes off from clothes. It is low odor, which actually I didn't even notice an odor as I was drawing my illustration. Acid-free, it's also quick dry and long-lasting, and when I got on my fingers, it was easily washed off. To get the ink flowing, you do have to shake the marker and press down the tip. Now I noticed in the box there was also chalkboard stickers, which come in handy for any project at home. And now for my project. I want to use the chalkboard daily in my home because I figured, hey, I have these awesome colors and I might as well incorporate them into our daily lives. So I'm going to do tonight's menu. Now I am not a hand lettering expert at all. Trust me, I don't even feel like I even know how to illustrate letters. So I'm just going to do my own thing and I hope you enjoy it. Now if you notice, I messed up the top part of that apostrophe by the S, but what I really love about this product, and this is my honest opinion, is that you could easily clean it up and you don't have to start all over. At least I did not want to start all over. So with glass cleaner and a paper towel, you could just wipe out whatever mistake you made and just do that part over again. And that's what I did. Now I put menu, I did skinny letters, and I just went over a few times with the marker, which is great because the marker does dry quickly, so you could definitely layer as you go along. I absolutely love the way this sign is coming out. And tacos are pretty popular in my house, so kids love it, I love it, I love that avocado, and I definitely love that pepper, so it looks so cute. Tell me, what is your favorite menu item below? Now for the fun part. As I draw in this confetti, we're gonna do a giveaway. Yes, a giveaway. Chalkola is giving away 1 box of markers to 1 lucky winner. In order to participate, you do have to follow a few little rules, and you do have to be from Canada, US, or UK only. So in order to be part of this giveaway, you have to subscribe to the Chalkola channel, and I will leave the link below. You gotta like this video and comment below how you would use these chalk markers in your project. This giveaway is open until June 2nd, and then the winner will be announced after that. So I'm gonna wrap up my sign with this pretty flower in the bottom. I want to thank Chalkola for sending me these awesome chalk markers. I had so much fun creating this project and I can't wait to do many more things with it. I look forward to using it in parties, menus, or even just little quotes for the day. And if you're interested in purchasing your own markers, go ahead and visit chalkola.com. Use my coupon code Lisette10. I will leave that information below. It is an affiliate link. Well, thanks so much for spending your time with me. Until next project, so stay tuned and God bless.